नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। आई एम जीवीएन डॉक्टर रुपेश एम लिखार, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ क्रिया शारीर, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, जयति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. Today we will discuss the topic salivary glands. Digestive juice present in the mouth, that is saliva, is secreted by the salivary glands. In humans, the saliva is secreted by three pairs of major salivary glands and some minor salivary glands. Major glands are parotid glands, submaxillary or submandibular glands, and sublingual glands. First major gland is parotid gland. Parotid glands are the largest of all salivary glands. They are situated at the side of the face just below and in front of the ear. Each gland weighs about 20 to 30 gram in adults. Secretion from these glands are emptied into the oral cavity by Stenson duct. This duct is about 35 mm to 40 mm long and opens inside the cheek against the upper second molar tooth. Second major gland is submaxillary gland. Submaxillary gland is also known as submandibular gland. Submaxillary or submandibular glands are located in submaxillary triangle medial to mandible. Each gland weighs about 8 to 10 gram. Saliva from these glands is emptied into the oral cavity by Wharton duct, which is about 40 mm long. The duct opens at the side of frenulum of tongue by a small opening on the summit of papilla called caruncula sublingualis. Sublingual glands are the smallest salivary glands, which are situated in the mucosa at the floor of the mouth. Each gland weighs about 2 to 3 gram. Saliva from these glands is poured into 5 to 15 small ducts called ducts of Rivinus. These ducts open on a small papillae beneath the tongue. One of the ducts is larger and it is called Bartholin duct. It drains the anterior part of the gland and opens on caruncula sublingualis near the opening of submaxillary duct. Digestive juice present in the mouth, that is saliva, is secreted by the salivary glands. In humans, the saliva is secreted by three pairs of major salivary glands and some minor salivary. Based on the type of secretion, salivary glands are classified into three types: serous glands, mucous glands, and mixed glands. Serous glands are mainly made up of serous cells. These glands secrete thin and watery saliva. Parotid glands and lingual serous glands are the serous glands. Mucous glands are mainly made up of mucous cells. These glands secrete thick, viscous saliva with high mucin content. Lingual mucous glands, buccal glands, and palatal glands belong to mucous glands. Mixed glands are made up of both serous and mucous cells. Submandibular, sublingual, and labial glands are the mixed glands. Now, structure and duct system of salivary glands. Salivary glands are formed by acini or alveoli. Each acinus is formed by a small group of cells which surround a central globular cavity. Central cavity of each acinus is continuous with the lumen of the duct. The fine duct draining each acinus is called intercalated duct. Many intercalated ducts join together to form intralobular duct. Few intralobular ducts join to form interlobular ducts, which unite to form the main duct of the gland. A gland with this type of structure and the duct system is called racemose type. Racemose means bunch of grapes. Now we will see properties of saliva. 1000 ml to 1500 ml of saliva is secreted per day. Mixed saliva is slightly acidic with pH of 6.35 to 6.85. Specific gravity of saliva ranges between 1.002 to 1.012 and it is hypotonic to plasma. Mixed saliva contains 99.5% water and only 0.5% solids. Solids include organic substances, inorganic substances and gases. So here we end the first part of salivary gland, in which we study types of salivary gland, structure of salivary gland, composition of saliva and properties of saliva. In next session we will study functions of saliva and applied physiology. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.